This video is for BC Wildlife Federation members, board members, committee members, and anyone else who's interested in meeting with their MLA or their MP to drive positive change. This first video is just basically to help you get a sense of what we're trying to achieve and how you coordinate a meeting with your MLA or MP. So the goal for us is to build a relationship with our elected officials. This will help educate them, understand what's important, and also understand some of the solutions. People are usually apprehensive about meeting with their elected officials. The thing to keep in mind is they don't know anything about fish and wildlife or hunting or fishing. So chances are when you come into these meetings, you're going to be the expert. It's very rare in British Columbia and Canada to find people who have a lot of experience in this field. So don't think that you're going to be intimidated by their level of knowledge. Chances are you will be the one educating them. And what you're trying to educate them on is how important this stuff is and how we drive positive change. So when you're ready to meet with your MLA, the first thing you need to do is book a meeting. You can do that by calling the constituency office, suggesting a time and a date, and also make sure you let them know that you're a constituent. Before your meeting, make sure you prepare yourself, have talking points written down, review them, and also, if you can, bring another person. Ideally, it'd be somebody in your household or someone else who's passionate about these same issues. During the meeting, make sure you show up at least 15 minutes early. MLA schedules are usually running behind and they have hundreds of people to meet with, so make sure you're early, make sure you're prepared. Stay focused on your material, don't drift. They're going to ask questions that probably aren't salient to what we're trying to discuss, and it's very easy for you to get onto an avenue that you don't need to go down. So make sure you stay on point, speak from your heart, make sure that they understand why it's important, and give them time at the end to discuss what you've just brought up and also to ask you questions. At the end of the meeting, what you need to do is conclude that with the action items. So what did you agree to? What are you going to do? And then ask them what you can do to help move this forward. After the meeting, write down everything that happened, send them a thank you, that you appreciate their time, and include any of these action items that you agreed to in the meeting, and reiterate that what you both committed to. The last piece is make sure you request your next meeting. That's it in terms of what you need to know on setting up a meeting with your elected officials.